Looking for the fuse box diagram and location for the 2024 Audi Q3? Would you like to know where to find the user guide that details the specific fuses and their functions? Are you interested in understanding how to access the fuse box for maintenance or troubleshooting? Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2024 Audi Q3 houses fuses for critical engine and electrical systems, including the ignition and fuel system. Its design protects these components from overloads and ensures reliable performance. Passenger compartment fuse box. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2024 Audi Q3 contains fuses for essential dashboard components, such as the instrument cluster, radio, and interior lights. It is designed to protect these electrical systems from overloads and short circuits. Each fuse is clearly labeled for easy identification and replacement when necessary.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.